Shipping settings are an important part of the Amazon Merchant Fulfilled setup. In this video, we'll be looking at the general shipping settings that a merchant needs to set, how to create and assign shipping templates, how fulfillment settings are set at the listing level, how to set up Seller Fulfilled Prime. It is worth noting that products which are fulfilled by Amazon do not require shipping settings, as these are set by Amazon. The Fulfilled by Merchant general shipping settings set the shipping address from which products are shipped, general order fulfillment settings, which are days of operation and the cut-off times for shipping services, and also you can see the default handling time. These settings are set under Settings, Shipping Settings, General Shipping Settings. Here we can see the default shipping address, which can be edited. Also the order fulfillment settings, we can set here the cut-off time for 1 day and 2 day delivery. You can also set whether your operating days are just during the week, or you can also add weekend order processing. Here the default handling time is set. You can't actually edit the default handling time here, but you can edit the handling time at the product level. And also here we have details on the premium shipping programs to which you are enrolled. The shipping rates for a product are set by assigning a shipping template to each product. These set the domestic shipping, the international shipping if that is required, and also the services available. So for example, for domestic shipping, you could offer a standard service and also an expedited service. Shipping templates are either assigned at the product level, or they can be uploaded in bulk by using the inventory uploader file. Shipping templates can be edited by going to Settings, Shipping Settings, then Shipping Templates. You can create up to 20 different shipping templates. If we click on a template which has already been created here and then do Edit, we can see how to edit a shipping template. Template is divided into domestic shipping options and international shipping options. The choice is whether to do it per item and then weight based, which is what is set up here. There's a price per order and then a price per kilo. Remembering that the shipping weight is set up also by the inventory loader file. Or you can do price banded. Here's an example of a price banded template. You see the band goes from 0 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 and above. If I was to change 30 to 40, it'll add an extra band. You can set the shipping price here. Also for each zone, there is a transit time that can be set, and you can select whether to ship to street and PO box or not. PO box sometimes can be difficult to ship to. Individually for domestic shipping and international shipping, you would set the zone, you would set the service, and then set the price as we've already discussed. So let us create a new delivery rule for the UK. We're going to set one here for BFPO, which is British Forces Posted Overseas. It would come up with the new zone here, and we can choose the transit time and also the pricing. For international delivery, it's a little bit different. If you click, we can go to the bottom here and add a new delivery rule. It'll grey out the areas which we already ship to. So we can choose something here. For example, we choose East Asia. Let's choose Mongolia. It will then add Mongolia to the list, and we can then assign the transit time and also the pricing. If you want to add expedited delivery to international, it's the same. You need to add a delivery rule, the zones, and then the pricing. So how are shipping settings set at the listing level? If you want to edit a product one by one, you need to go to the Offers tab to do this. Here you can set the shipping templates and also the handling time for a product. If you go to Manage Inventory and then edit a product, under the Offer tab, you will be able to edit the shipping template. Here you can select from a list, and also the handling time for a product. Note that if you are selling through a unified European or North American account, and you have the same SKUs across multiple countries, the handling time will be the same for each product SKU. Seller Fulfillment Prime is Amazon's program where the seller will fulfill the order, but as it is fulfilled using an approved courier and under strict performance guidelines, it can be a Prime eligible order on Amazon. Setting up SFP, or Seller Fulfilled Prime, is slightly different from other merchant fulfilled products. Products need to be enrolled in Seller Fulfilled Prime by assigning each product a special Seller Fulfilled Prime shipping template. The settings for Seller Fulfilled Prime can be seen under Inventory, Manage Seller Fulfilled Prime. Here you can see a list of products that have been enrolled. You can see they have here the shipping template, which is a seller fulfilled prime template, and also SKUs which are not yet enrolled. And they can be enrolled by changing to a seller fulfilled prime template. So what makes a seller fulfilled prime template special? If we select a shipping template and we edit it, that was a non-seller fulfilled prime template, and we click on this selling region automation, we can then set the shippings for seller fulfilled prime. So we select the ship from location, you choose the carriers you want to use. So here I'm selecting Amazon shipping, raw mail and DPD, and when a seller fulfilled prime order comes through, Amazon will choose one of these carriers to assign a order to. And here we're just reviewing the options, which it says what carriers we're actually using for seller fulfilled prime and what the delivery times are. And here we can see on this shipping template we're now offering 2 prime enabled services and also a 2-day premium service which are prime eligible on this shipping template.